Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter recovery mode on your NUBIA Z70 Ultra. To do it, first shut down your device, so press and hold on the power button, click on power off again, and now after it vibrates, it's fully shut down. You can wait for additional 3 seconds and then press and hold on power button and volume up button simultaneously until NUBIA logo shows up, then release both. So let's press and hold on them. Now let's release both and let's wait. And here we are in the recovery mode. Here you can just reboot. To move, click on the volume up or down buttons, and to select something, click on power button. You can go to reboot system, wipe data, power off, or advanced options, and the advanced options you can go to safe mode, view recovery logs, or go back to the previous page, which I'm gonna do right now, and I'm gonna reboot the system. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.